In this piece here, you'll notice the rocks over, actually it's a thesaurus, and so the title actually comes from sadness to regret, actually are words that this open page reflects upon. So it has those synonyms for both those words. And the rocks come from my admiration of the Jewish tradition of laying rocks on the gravestone as part of the grieving process. And I just really respect the Jewish faith and wanted to pay homage to that. But also the rocks are part of, they're almost kind of like check marks or pieces that tell the viewer in this photograph that like these are the experiences I've been through already. So all these synonyms are sort of weighted upon as in I've experienced this, and almost like, you know, crossing a line through it as a way of sort of checking off all those experiences. And you can see, given the hand here, there's much more experiences to be had. So, in this piece here, and the title, as this light lies on these white walls, is actually from a Sylvia Plath poem called Tulips. And one of the reasons I chose that title was because of the tulips in the image. And you'll notice in the foreground, the tulips are in a vase, but the vase has no water, and there's, you know, the leaves are kind of just at this dying point, and the petals are actually just about to fall off. So there's a kind of just past the living point that these exist. And then the figure in the background is out of focus. Notice how the tulip stem and leaf kind of create an X over the eye, sort of crossing out the figure. That was all intentional aspects of this work. And just, you know, the figure is meant to be in a grieving position, and the tulips are meant to be something that, you know, similar to you would leave tulips at or any sort of floral arrangement, you know, at a graveside or something. It's just a part of remembrance.